Hi there, Melody from WTI, and I really need to tell you how excited I am about this basketball net from Best View. You're going to love it just as much as I do. Let me show you. So it comes with everything you need, even the little tools to put it together. And here's the beginning of my little love for this. I love the little spot that it's got for the ball. I don't know if it was made for that, but I love it. It's got the wheels here so you can move it around, which tells you it's portable, which I would suggest to do before you fill this, because it is very heavy once you fill it, but it also ensures that it's not going to go anywhere. It's very, very solid. It's not going to tip over at all. It is very sturdy and very secure. So the whole family loves playing with this Best View basketball net. It doesn't take much to encourage each other to grab the ball and to run out and just shoot a few hoops. Not only is this amazing basketball net portable, it's also adjustable. So the big guys can play it and raise it up to 9 feet, or it's very easily lowered for the shorter one. So you just have to unscrew. It does come with the tool that you need to lower it, and then we just make sure that once it's lowered, you just tighten it back up, and then the little guys can start playing. And does he ever have a lot of fun? He just keeps shooting hoop after hoop after hoop. It encourages him to get away from the TV and games and just enjoy the sun. Something set up like this is just awesome. I love how everything is made, right down to the nylon net. Everything is just high quality. Very impressed from the steel pipe right down to the net. Everything about this basketball net is A1 in my books. You really gotta go get yourself one and try a few hoops yourself. You're not gonna regret it. So if you're looking for a basketball net to grow along with your child, I suggest this one from Best View. I'm very impressed with the quality and just how it really brings the family together, and I know you're gonna love it too. That's my point of view.